guys, and this is our new video about the Instagram application where we show you how to delete the selected messages in your chat on Instagram. So let's go to the Instagram app, and right now we need to pick on the upper right corner of the screen to go to the list of all our chats. So let's tap on the first one as an example, and right now, as I said before, I will show you how to delete the selected message, your message, from the chat history. So let's hold on one of them and choose the Unsend option. Amazing! Remember that if you will do it for the first time, you will also have the special notification where you need to tap on the Unsend second time and pick on the OK option later. But if you will do it secondly and later, you won't have such alerts and notification on your screen. So in this way, you can smoothly unsend and delete your messages on the chat. And right now I also will show you how to delete the whole chat from the list. So let's pick on the arrow to go out. I will refresh also my chat list. So if I want to disable this chat from my story, from my history, let's swipe it to the left side. As you can see here, we have the delete option. If you cannot to swipe it to the end, we can also pick on this delete feature on the bar and tap on the delete option to confirm our actions. Amazing! As you can see right now, we don't have the selected chat on our history. In this way, you can smoothly control your messages, your chats on Instagram application, guys. Don't forget about likes and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Good luck!